Hello, today is May 4th. Nope, today is May 5th. And the bird of the day is the canvasback, which is a duck with a red head. The canvasback, Ithia vallisneria, common locally, occurs in large flocks on deep lakes and bays. Also found in small numbers among flocks of scaup. Nests on small marshy ponds. Dives for plants, fish, and some aquatic insects and mollusks. One of our largest diving ducks. Very long, tapered bill and sloped forehead distinctive in all plumages. Voice. Female gives rough, grating calls. Male in display gives eerie, squeaky hooting. Maybe it sounds like that. Here's that long-billed duck.